everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at a beautiful 1969 Chevrolet Camaro. Pretty car, guys. It's finished in Daytona yellow, which is the original color. Now they've got Z28 striping and badging. It is a tribute. This is not a real Z. Good car though, neat car. I bought the car out of Florida. It's actually a rotisserie restoration. The floorboards on this car are body color. Now, unfortunately, I guess the guy who originally restored this car had passed away, so a lot of that information obviously passes with him. But they say the car was done about 15, 18 years ago, and I don't think this car was driven much. There was cobwebs underneath it and stuff, so I don't think there was very many miles put on this car. I think this car's been sitting a little bit. But again, factory Daytona yellow car. It's got Hounds Tooth interior, which I love. Of course, it's got all the black Z28 striping. It's got the steel cowl hood, front and rear spoilers. And a neat car. You can nitpick it. Again, it's an older resto. There's some touch-up marks. You know, there's some little things that you can pick at on the car. There's some, like I say, there's some stone pecks and some little stuff like that. Nothing hideous, but again, it is an older resto. Don't think it's a 10. It's a good, solid, straight driver. Seems to be a good car. Black vinyl top, it's in great shape. It's got the soft ray glass. Deck spoiler. Good stance. Those are brand spanking new wheels and tires. Those are 18s all the way around it. And they're 18-inch chrome American Racing Torque Thrust 2 wheels. Disc brakes on the front. Nothing crazy. A little bit of a cammed up 350 Chevy small block, 4-barrel aluminum intake. Does have the GM double hump heads, HEI distributor, power steering, power front disc brakes. You can see it's detailed up real nice underneath the hood. 350 turbohydramatic trans. Stock exhaust manifolds, chrome air cleaner and valve covers. Matter of fact, those are so new, there's a little sticker still on there. Those are brand new, guys. There's about 5 miles on the rubber. That's it. Chrome mirror, definitely newer door handles. Door seams are clean. Sport steering wheel, again, Hounds Tooth interior, which I love. Looks like it's got all the correct seat belts in it. Headliner looks good. Bucket seats, center console, factory dash, showing 52,000. Your guess is as good as mine. Could be correct, could be 152. Aftermarket radio. dual exhaust, stock 10 bolt, 323 rear axle, so nothing crazy. Like I say, nice straight cruiser. It's all spackle coated in the trunk. And then you get under here, and this thing is, like I say, it's been all off the body. They've done a nice job. New sill plates. Obviously the seats have been all recovered. That stuff looks great. Dash looks good. Again, center console looks good. Nice and smooth. Yeah, that's going to make somebody a fun car. Really not much for gauges. Fuel gauge works. Doors open and close nice. Oh, we got a light out on the left side. We'll check it. Good sound. Radio works. You hear it in there where it works. Blower motor works. Wipers are functional. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking on the button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time we post a new video. Have a great day, guys!